This is Daryl
And Erin
on Travel with D&E. We both love going to Las Vegas as there's always so much to see and do. We're headed to check out attractions around Las Vegas, but off the Strip. Join us as we explore the Fergusons Downtown Motel, and now a business and community space on Fremont Street in Las Vegas.
The Fergusons Motel started its life in the 1940s as the Franklin Motel. The old motel's name changed to Fergusons Hope Motel in the 1960s after the Ferguson family purchased it. The Fergusons Motel preserved the U-shaped motel structure along with 95% of the building's bones, including the original Ferguson Motel marquee that's still in use today. Zappos CEO Tony Xia committed around $350 million to help build the most community-focused large city in the world. Xia and business partner and creative strategist Jen Taylor created Fergusons Downtown in hope of drawing people to Vegas to experience the culture and art seen in an urban setting filled with unique amenities.
In essence, a downtown gathering house or community house. Taylor feels that there's so much amazing local talent and people to draw from and is excited to share that. Fergusons Downtown was launched in December 2019. The 1940s era motel has turned into a retail and community space. In downtown Las Vegas, there are 13 shops of local makers and small businesses, a few eateries, and a coffee shop. The former motel rooms have been remodeled and provide space for the small businesses. They provide workshops and partner with local maker markets. This revitalization of the historic Fergusons Motel is just what downtown Las Vegas needed.
The Big Rig Jig is the center point of the Fergusons Motel complex. It's a S-shaped, 50-foot-tall, 25-ton sculpture created by Brooklyn-based artist Mike Ross. He utilized two decommissioned 18-wheeler tanker trucks. The entire sculpture was anchored to a giant metal base with custom-built screws and other support gear. The sculpture was erected at the 2007 Burning Man Festival in the Black Rock Desert of northern Nevada. Attendees were allowed to climb inside at the festival. Eventually, the 50-foot-tall Big Rig Jig sculpture was purchased and displayed in the Las Vegas in August 2016 by Tony Xia's Downtown Project, and now finds its home here at the Fergusons Downtown.
Part of the mantra of the new development is to attract local community to come and visit and revitalize the downtown area. One way they do that is through special events they hold, which may be shopping, local music, art, poetry, comedy, and just about any cultural or art workshop or event. Check out their website for this special event program for concerts, comedy, and other creators. The Fergusons Downtown Motel Complex is located on East Fremont Street, east of the covered Fremont Street Experience area.
The Fergusons Downtown Motel was built as an old-school motel in the 1940s. Today it remains an iconic motel structure including the marquee, but caters now to retail and community space, eateries, coffee shops, and plenty of green space.
And look, if you like this content and you want to check out all our other videos covering the Las Vegas area off the Strip, such as the Valley of Fire,
Is that it?
Red Rock Canyon trails and overlooks, the Grand Canyon West,
It's a beautiful point.
the old historic railroad tunnel train, murals, and of course Fremont Street Experience, and all the other cool and fun attractions in Las Vegas, but not on the Strip. Also check out all our other videos covering the many fun and historical attractions we've covered on our Travel with D&E site. Do us a favor and subscribe, that way you know when we put a new video out. Like that video, share it with your family and friends. Remember to put a comment below if you've checked out the Fergusons Motel on Fremont Street in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching, and as always,
We will see you in the next video.